Hi, I'm Lily Vallario, and if this is your first time here, welcome. As a real estate expert, I know that preparing your home for sale can feel overwhelming, but trust me, small changes can make a huge difference. Buyers decide how they feel about a home within minutes, and the key is to create a space where they can see themselves, not you living there. Today, we're diving into the 12 essential items to remove before listing your home. These tips can help you sell your home faster and for more money. Along the way, I'll share real examples of how these strategies have worked for sellers just like you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more real estate insights. Ready? Let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes I see is leaving personal items like family photos, trophies, or collections on display. While these might make the room feel cozy to you, they create an invisible barrier for buyers. I once helped a seller whose living room was lined with family portraits. During showing, buyers kept pausing to look at the photos instead of focusing on the space. After we swapped the portraits for neutral artwork, the entire vibe changed. At the next showing, buyers commented on how spacious and inviting the room felt. And here's a pro tip. Pack away anything that tells buyers, "This is my house," and replace it with decor that whispers, "This could be your house." Clutter on surfaces like tables and shelves can overwhelm buyers and distract from your home's best features. It might not seem like a big deal, but even something as small as a stack of magazines can shift focus away from what really matters. Start small, clear one area at a time, and be intentional about what stays. For example, a single decorative bowl or candle on a coffee table can feel elegant and inviting, but too much makes a space feel cramped. The same rule applies to bathroom vanity tops. Remove everything except for a simple soap holder and perhaps a small decorative item like a vase or a neatly folded hand towel. A clean, uncluttered surface highlights the functionality of the space and makes it feel more open and luxurious. What's the one spot in your kitchen that can make or break a home sale? I promise you, buyers zero in on it immediately. Let's head to the heart of the home and see if you're making this common mistake. I recently visited a for sale by owner house during an open house. The homeowner was proud of his kitchen, but as soon as I walked in, I could see the problem. The countertops were covered with appliances, cutting boards, and decorative items. He thought he was showcasing functionality, but what he was actually hiding was a crucial feature: counter space. After the open house, I shared my observations with the seller. He admitted he'd been struggling to get serious interest and decided to work with me as his listing agent. We tackled the kitchen first, creating a more inviting environment. We asked, is this essential for everyday use? If not, it went into cabinets or storage. We kept out just a sleek coffee maker and a vibrant fruit bowl for color. The transformation was incredible. At the next open house, buyers lingered in the kitchen, running their hands along the clear countertop and talking excitedly about all the prep space. It's like cleaning the clutter off your desk. Suddenly, you can see all the possibilities. Remember, buyers focus on kitchen counter space because it represents potential. It's where they imagine prepping meals and making memories. By showcasing your kitchen's full potential, you're helping buyers envision the future in your home. Remember, when it comes to winning over buyers, less is more. And the same goes with your furniture. Oversized or excessive furniture can make rooms feel smaller and disrupt the flow. This seller also had a huge sectional sofa that practically swallowed his living room. We removed part of it and added a single armchair to balance the space. The transformation again was amazing. Buyers loved how open and functional the room felt. Here's another pro tip. Scale furniture to fit the room's proportions and use it strategically to draw attention to standout features like a fireplace or a large window. Create pathways that let buyers move through the space effortlessly. This subtle flow makes a home feel larger and more inviting. I know you want to watch TV and relax on that oversized couch after a hard day of work. Believe me, I do that too. But trust me, by sacrificing a little comfort for a few days, you'll make a lot more money and achieve your home selling goals much faster. That comfy couch could cost you thousands of dollars and extra time on the market. Now let's talk about outdated decor. Things like heavy curtains or worn rugs can instantly date a home. Buyers might feel like they're stepping into the past instead of a space that's ready for their future. I recently had sellers replace their old floral curtains with light, airy ones and swap the dated rug for a simple neutral design. Those small changes made the space feel modern and bright, and buyers noticed. Even more importantly, the updated look photographed beautifully, which increased traffic to the listing and ultimately led to stronger offers. All right, let's talk about something that can make or break your home sale faster than you can say clutter. Those closets you've been avoiding, it's time to face them head on. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer. Here's the thing, buyers are nosy. They're going to open every door, peek into every nook and cranny, and yes, they're going to judge your closet. What they find in there can make a huge difference in whether they make an offer or walk away. I had a client once who thought her closets were fine. "Lily," she said, "nobody's going to care about my closets." Oh boy, was she wrong. When we did a walkthrough, I couldn't even get the closet door open without a struggle. It was like a game of Tetris in there with the shoes, boxes, and who knows what else packed to capacity. Now put yourself in a buyer's shoes for a second. When they see a closet like that, they're not seeing storage space, they're seeing a problem. They're thinking, if the current owner can't fit their stuff in there, how am I going to? And just like that, you've lost them. So what do we do about it? Well, it's time to channel your inner Marie Kondo and start decluttering. I'm not saying you need to get rid of everything, but you do need to be ruthless. Those clothes you haven't worn in years, donate them. The boxes of old paperwork, time to invest in a shredder. And all those shoes, pick your favorite and store the rest. Let me share a little trick I use with my clients. Take everything out of your closet. Yes, everything. Now only put back the items you use regularly. For clothes, if you haven't worn it in the last year, it doesn't make the cut. For everything else, ask yourself, do I really need this? If the answer isn't an immediate yes, it's probably a no. And here's another tip. Use matching hangers. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how organized your closet looks. Plus, it gives the buyers the impression that you really care about your home, which is always a good thing. Now let's talk about those top shelves and floor of your closet. These are prime real estate for storage, but they can quickly become a dumping ground. My advice, keep them as clear as possible. A few neatly arranged boxes on the top shelf are fine, but don't overdo it. And the floor, ideally it should be completely clear. If you must use it for storage, stick to a few well-organized bins or shoe racks. Remember, we're not just organizing, we're staging. You want your closets to look like they belong in a home decor magazine. That means no wire hangers, no mismatched boxes and storage containers, and definitely no piles of stuff shoved in the corner. It's not just about tidiness, it's about showcasing the potential of your home. Everyone loves the holiday season, and it's perfectly fine to have your Christmas tree and a few festive lights up if you're selling your home during the time. But once the holiday is over, it's essential to remove all decorations quickly and refocus on creating a neutral space. Buyers want to see a home that feels fresh and ready for their next chapter, not one tied to a holiday that's already passed. Trust me, I've seen homes with Christmas lights still up in February, and it can be distracting, making it harder for buyers to focus on the potential of the space. Keep it festive, but don't let the holidays linger too long. Even in an otherwise spotless home, kids' toys and pet supplies can create a visual clutter that distracts buyers. Playrooms overflowing with toys or pet beds scattered around the house can make it harder for buyers to focus on the home's features. To solve this, pack away most toys into bins or closets and leave just a few neatly organized on shelves to showcase the room's potential. For pets, keep bowls, beds, and toys tucked away during showings. A clean and clutter-free environment helps buyers see the home, not the evidence of daily life. Here's another pro tip. Transform playrooms or pet areas into multifunctional spaces. Stage a playroom as a home office or craft space, or present a pet area as a cozy reading nook. This allows buyers to see how the space could fit their lifestyle, appealing to a wider range of potential buyers. Scuffed walls, torn rugs, and broken fixtures might seem minor, but they signal to buyers that the home hasn't been well maintained. Touching up paint, replacing a worn rug, or fixing that squeaky cabinet are quick fixes that have a big impact on how buyers perceive their home. I know this one sounds like a no-brainer, but trust me, I walked into homes where passports, coin collections, or even cash were left out in plain view during showing. Always remove valuables like jewelry, sensitive documents, or anything irreplaceable before buyers tour your home. Not only does this protect your belongings, but it also keeps buyers focused on what really matters, the home itself. Visible valuables can be distracting and even raise unnecessary concerns for buyers. A little extra caution goes a long way in making your home feel welcoming and secure. The exterior of your home is the very first thing buyers see, and it sets the tone for their entire visit. So make it count. Clear away outdoor clutter like old furniture, kids' toys, or tools that can distract from the space's potential. Instead, focus on creating an inviting atmosphere. Adding fresh plants, a clean seating area, or even a simple welcome mat can make an outdoor space feel like an extension of the home. Buyers will imagine themselves relaxing or entertaining there, which makes a lasting impression. Pro tip: pressure wash walkways and patios to instantly freshen up the space, and consider adding soft lighting to highlight the yard during evening showing. Small touches like these can make your home stand out and create a warm welcome. Finally, remove decor that reflects specific personal beliefs like religious or political items. These may hold a deep meaning for you, but they can unintentionally distract or alienate buyers. The goal is to create a neutral, inviting space where anyone can imagine their life unfolding. By removing these items, you allow buyers to focus on the home's features rather than getting caught up in the details of your personal style or beliefs. It's not about stripping your home of personality. It's about widening its appeal to a broader audience. I hope these tips help you feel confident about preparing your home for sale. Which tip did you find most surprising? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to make the most of your real estate journey. If you're thinking about selling your home, I can connect you with a top agent in your area, someone vetted by me who will deliver exceptional results. Just click the link in the description box to fill out a quick form, and I'll personally match you with the best expert for your needs. Hey, and it's free. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.